Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talks video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram status on your Instagram profile, either on Instagram personal or on a business profile account. Now make sure your Instagram is up to date and make sure you have this application right there, this application called Threads from Instagram. Now I already have this application installed, so I'm going to show you guys the application that I mean. So it's called Threads. Then you are going to notice where it says Threads from Instagram. Go ahead and select this particular application right here called Threads from Instagram. So if you already have it installed, then we are good to go. Now before I show you guys how to add status on your Instagram account, let me show you guys what a status means and actually how to add it on your own Instagram account, and also going to explain more about which this who sees this status. Now let's dive in. Go ahead and open your Instagram account. I'm currently logged in as Trust Stanley on my Instagram, but I'm going to switch the account right now to TS Tech Talks account, which is my business account, or you can just say my business profile. Then now it's switching. Okay, now this is TS Tech Talk, and probably the status is going to be displaying here once we are viewing from another account. And if I swipe my screen right here, let me close these notifications right here, you can notice where it says staying at home. Right now that is the status that will be displaying to anybody that is actually my close friend, but because I'm not logged in into the account, I will not be able to see that. So I'm going to show you guys how it displays and also how to add those status. Now first, let's go ahead and open our Threads, which is the application I told you guys to download a moment ago. Click on it and it's going to open this section right there. So I'm going to swipe left. Now you're going to notice where it says Threads, right? And these are my close friends, and I can add more close friends if I want. Now you can notice this smiley face. You can click on that. On this area, it displays your status, whichever status you choose. Now I selected the status to update automatically. So most time, if I'm working, if I'm on the walk, it displays on the walk. If I'm on my working place, it says I'm in the working place. If I'm in the street, it says on the street. Wherever I am, it updates to the status automatically. So but you can actually make this manual by clicking on this option. You can notice it displays the current status that is active. Right now you can make this manual by clicking on this plus icon and changing whichever status you want to have. So I can say once it's done, go ahead and once you're done typing your status, go ahead and click on create status right on top of this area, and you can use any emoji reaction that you want and then click the check icon. So once you're done, if you click on this section, you can notice it displays those emoji and click on your angry. I think this reaction is not looking so good. I'm going to go ahead and change this by tapping and then selecting my emojis to, I have to select an angry emoji since I say is vest mode. So I'm going to pull this right there. I think I'm okay with this, and if I click, you can notice it says vest mode. So this is going to display for my friends who are actually my close friends. Now let me go ahead and switch to my Instagram account. Now let me show you guys a quick tip, guys. Pay attention to this. I'm going to switch this first account to Trust Stanley, which is the account I want to display that status for. I want to see the status on TS Tech Talks account. So I'm going to click on this search to search for TS Tech Talk. I just want to confirm the status that I just updated on the TS Tech Talks account. Now you can notice normally I was supposed to see the status right here, and another place you can be able to see those status also is by chatting with the person that have that status. So if I try to chat with Trust Stanley right now, it's supposed to display the status somewhere around this button just before my message, but it's not displaying because we are not friends, we are not close friends, but we just follow each other on Instagram. So in order for me to be able to see TS Tech Talks status, I'll have to be close friends with him. So I'm going to switch this account to add Trust Stanley as TS Tech Talks close friend. So I'm going to go to the profile area and then switch the account. Wait for it. Then because of my internet, it's taking a bit while. I'm going to switch that. All right, now to add Trust Stanley as a close friend, just click on this section and then select close friends, and you can notice they will display right here. If you can't see, just go ahead and search for the name Trust Stanley. Once you follow the person, you should be able to see the person's name. Now I think it's this second one, but I'm just going to add this first one, and then I'm going to show you guys a different way of I didn't complete it. Just click on next and then close. I'm going to show you guys a different way of adding close friend from threads. Actually, click on your threads and go to this section, and you can notice where you say add close friend. Click on that option and then search for the person you want to add as close friend. So I'm going to search for the same name again because I probably have two different accounts. So this is the second one that I've not added. I've selected that also. So once you're done, just click on done. So I just showed you two different ways to add close friends on Instagram. Either you make use of thread or you make use of Instagram. They both displays anyway. So once you have your account ready, just before I do this, actually, let me confirm that we are close friend on the two accounts. So it's active. That's good. So now I'm going to switch back to Trust Stanley's account just to confirm that I'm able to see those status display for me. So if let's say I want to chat, already you can see I have the status right here displaying on Trust Stanley's profile. And then if I click on the account, you can notice it says vest mode, right? It says status vest mode. Then if I click on it, I'll be able to either open threads or reply to threads, or I can just like do this like reply. So I'll reply to this and the person will be able to see it and click on it and know what I replied to. So the message just delivered. So apart from there, if you click on Trust Stanley's profile, you will always see the status display vest mode. You probably might have seen this somewhere on somebody's accounts who are close friends with you, but you don't know how to do them. This is just how to do them. Now, in order to create this account for the first time, I just showed you guys how to create the profile. So this is because I already have an account with TS Tech. So let's assume I want to create that also with Trust Stanley. All I need to do is to go to my threads account application. Go to my threads application, and then I'm going to have to log out of this current account that is currently logged in by clicking on this three-dotted icon, scroll right down to where it says logout, and then click on logout. And now confirm the logout. So it's going to take a while to log out. Now if you notice right here it says continue as Trust Stanley, and you can switch the account also to switch to a different account, which is probably going to display TS Tech Talk, but I'm going to choose Trust Stanley right here. So it's going to display Trust Stanley. Now you can notice I don't have any close friend, so I can go ahead and add one. So I'm going to add TS Tech Talk as the only close friend. Now this is just because of a tutorial. You can always uncheck anytime you want to uncheck or unfriend the person. So I already made some videos about these threads. You guys should check out my channel to read more or to watch the video about threads. So I'm just going to skip all these ones anyway. And then he said I'm all set. That's good. So right there, you can just make a video, but if not, just swipe to add your status. Now you can notice there is no status that is actually set. So I'm going to add a new status by clicking on this plus icon for the first time, and then so I say 2021 vibes, and now I have to add an emoji. Click on your emoji. If you're making use of Samsung phone, on whichever phone you are making use of, is going to display your emoji options for you. So I'm going to say use the smiley face for the 2020 vibes, and once you're done, go ahead and click on the checkbox just by the right, and you can notice it displays. Once you click on it, this is how it displays, and this is how all your close friends are also going to see it. As simple as that, guys. There is nothing much difficult about this video. So I hope you guys like this video and enjoyed it. Please, if you do, I would appreciate if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. But if you're already subscribed to the channel, there is no need for clicking the subscribe button. Just go ahead and like the video and share it with your friends. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Please stay home, guys, and be safe. Peace.